God. Can we do this song on camera?
Sure.
No, not me. I want you.
I don't know this song.
Look it, I got a blue finger. Ow, it is. It's blue. It's like I killed a Smurf.
I'm gonna bite your finger. I'm gonna bite your finger.
Impossible the female summer of some sexy gouch. Gonna get this guy all hot and she never even knew it. No!
You do have this recording you singing it, right?
That stuff. She's saying that she wants to do it. Not me. Soon they're tuned when they get them in the backseat.
Filming the wall.
Fast, so you just throw like a track beat. Gross! Ew! All they can do is say no, 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 no. Reproduction! Reproduction! Give it to me now. Reproduction! Reproduction! All you think about. Production! Okay, I didn't go far. Cassie's on my bed, loving it. I rolled. Whoa. Boom shot!
Yeah, it's a shamrock.
It smells like you. For sexual occasion. And a girl just do that thing on her about and she ends up the days of her what do you call it? Menstruation.
That's really neat. Yeah, one of the guys that
Right. Ooh.